In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a voting poll on Google Forms. Whether you're looking to gather opinions, make group decisions, or simply get feedback, Google Forms offers a straightforward way to create polls that are easy to share and analyze. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Google Forms. If you're not familiar with it, Google Forms is a free tool by Google that allows you to create surveys and questionnaires. You can access Google Forms by going to forms.google.com or by navigating through Google Drive and selecting Google Forms from the New option. Once you're there, you'll see the option to start a new blank form or use a template. For a voting poll, starting with a blank form is usually the best approach. Once you have your blank form open, it's time to add your first question. Look for the plus icon or the Add Question button. Clicking this will allow you to enter your question. Now, since we're setting up a voting poll, you'll want to make sure that the question type is set to multiple choice. This is crucial because multiple choice questions allow respondents to select one option from a list, which is perfect for a voting scenario. When you're creating your multiple choice question, think about how you want to phrase it. Make sure your question is clear and concise so respondents understand exactly what you're asking. For example, if you're trying to decide on a meeting date, your question might be, which day works best for our meeting? Below the question, you'll add your options. You can have as many options as you need. Just click Add Option to include more. After setting up your question, you might want to adjust a few settings. For instance, you can make the question required by toggling the required switch. This ensures that respondents have to answer the question before submitting their form. Additionally, Google Forms allows you to shuffle the option order, which can be useful if you want to prevent any bias based on the order of the options. Once you've set up your question and options, take a moment to preview the form. You can do this by clicking on the eye icon at the top right. This lets you see exactly what your respondents will see, ensuring everything looks good and functions correctly. Finally, when you're satisfied with your poll, it's time to share it. Click on the Send button and you'll have several options to distribute your poll. You can send it via email, share a direct link, or even embed it on a website. Choose the method that works best for your audience. And there you have it, a simple, effective voting poll set up through Google Forms. With these steps, you're well on your way to gathering the insights and opinions you need. Thanks for watching, and happy polling.